Unveiling the Delight, the tale of crushed berry sauce. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the delicious and colorful world of crushed berry sauce. This topic isn't just about cooking, it's a journey into the heart of English vocabulary and culinary expressions. Stay tuned as we explore what this phrase means, how it's used, and why it's a favorite among food enthusiasts and language learners alike. Crushed berry sauce is a term that combines both culinary art and language. The phrase can be broken down into three key components. Crushed. This word signifies that the berries have been pressed or mashed, usually until they form a soft, chunky texture. It indicates a method of preparation rather than a specific texture. Berry. Berries are small, round, and juicy fruits, often sweet or sour in taste. Think of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. They are the stars of this sauce. Sauce. A sauce is a liquid or semi-liquid substance served with food to add moisture and flavor. In this case, the sauce is made from berries. Together, crushed berry sauce refers to a sauce made by crushing berries to enhance dishes with their natural sweetness, tartness, and vibrant color. Crushed berry sauce is versatile and beloved in culinary circles for several reasons. Versatility. This sauce can accompany desserts, pancakes, waffles, or even savory dishes, adding a burst of flavor and color. Health benefits. Berries are known for their antioxidants and nutritional value, making the sauce not just tasty but also beneficial. Cultural significance. Berries are integral to many cuisines around the world, and learning about this sauce offers insights into global culinary traditions and the English language's adaptability. Cooking and language learning go hand in hand. Exploring phrases like crushed berry sauce helps learners understand descriptive vocabulary. Adjectives and verbs used in cooking can enhance a language learner's descriptive skills. Cultural context. Food is a gateway to cultures, and understanding culinary terms can lead to deeper cultural appreciation and connections. Practical application. Using language in practical, enjoyable contexts, such as cooking, can make learning more engaging and memorable. We hope you've enjoyed this flavorful journey into the world of crushed berry sauce. Whether you're a food lover, a language enthusiast, or both, there's always something new to learn and taste. Remember, language and cooking are both about mixing and experimenting, so don't be afraid to create your own delicious phrases and dishes. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next culinary language adventure.